Most people think everyone already knows how to invest in crypto, but well, you will be surprised as to how many people do not even know what it means. Like, how do you do it? So what you do is you get your money, and if you've been following my page, then you know what fiat means by decree. The currency that we use, dollar, euro, any currency. So you get this money, you go to an exchange, a broker like Binance or Exodus. You use the Exodus app. Now you can use this if you're under 18 to invest in cryptocurrency. Investing in cryptocurrency under 18 is very possible. So do not think, even if you're 12, there are apps that you can use, and I will try to make a tutorial on how exactly to do this. So you get your money, you go into an exchange and buy cryptocurrency. Let's say you're buying Polkadot, for example. So all cryptocurrencies have some kind of abbreviation for it. Some do not. For example, Cardano's ticker symbol, which is just some kind of abbreviation for it, is ADA. Polkadot's abbreviation is DOT. Avalanche's abbreviation is AVAX. Some of them do not. Like Aave, for example. Aave's abbreviation is just Aave. So some of them do not have abbreviation, but most of them do have abbreviations, which are their ticker symbols. So in most exchanges, that is with most brokers, you will not be able to write the name of the cryptocurrency. You will have to just write its abbreviation. So let's say we want to buy Polkadot, for example. So we will go to this exchange and just write DOT. So you will exchange your fiat currency into cryptocurrency. So let's say one coin of Polkadot is $10. Let's say you're investing $100. You have $100 here. So if you put this into this will give you 10 dots. Now you store this in an exchange like Binance. You have a Binance wallet. It's just an app. So you have your assets in that account. It's just like an account. It's not like some kind of separate wallet somewhere. So in that account, you have 10 dots. So you can just leave it there, which I do not really see any problem with it. If you have a lot of cryptocurrency worth maybe thousands or tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands or millions, then you should buy a hardware wallet. So this is simply what you do. You exchange money for cryptocurrency and you leave it in your wallet. If you were using the Exodus app, then you can just leave it in your Exodus wallet. So in time, the value of this 10 dots, which is one of this, which you bought for $10 each, increase and decrease, But over time, since this has its use case and this is what investors are investing in, over time, the value generally increases. But on the way, it will increase and decrease. So what trading means, because some people do not even know what trading means, what trading cryptocurrency means. And someone asked me the other day, how do you trade? What does that even mean? Trading means that you buy here and sell here. When you sell here, you wait when it comes back here, and you buy here and sell here. You buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. Now, if you bought here and sold here and you did this like this, you would have earned more money than someone who just bought here and waited until it got here and sold here. You would have made more money than this person. But this is more risky because knowing where this is not easy. That is why we get to study technical analysis. Because with technical analysis, you can spot where this is, maybe not even actually spot where this is, but spot where this could be, or even this. Now, sometimes you may spot this or this. So This is simply what investing in cryptocurrency means. You take money, you buy cryptocurrency from an exchange, and then you can just hold on to it and keep it for 10 years, 15 years, and make a lot of money here. You can just hold on to it. Because if you bought Aave when it was $4, you have a lot of money now, because Aave now is trading. Aave went up to $666 from $4. So that's simply what it means. You buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. This is called trading when you are doing this. Now, buying here and selling here is called investing. This is long-term investment, and this is trading when you are doing this. So that is simply what it means. Now, this is not a must. To trade is not a must. You don't really have to learn how to buy here and sell here, buy here and sell here. You don't really need to learn how to do this. Now, this is the dip. We call it the dip, and this is the top. So if you buy the dip and sell the top, you make this gain, and then you avoided losing all of this. So you buy here again and sell here. You can also buy here and sell somewhere here. You can also buy somewhere here and sell somewhere here. So but you don't need to do that. It's not like a must. You don't need to do it. You can just buy your crypto from an exchange and just hold on to it. And that will be called hodling. So you are hodling, you are a hodler. If you say hodler, so if I say I'm hodling this, it means I bought and I'm just holding. So that's hodling. I'm just saying this because some people think this is just understood by everybody. Not everyone knows this. So, and my page and my channel is for people who want to begin and have no idea. Yeah, I have a bit of knowledge in the complicated stuff, but I can't come here and start telling you about trading and stuff when you don't even understand what a hodler means or hodling means or what a dip is. So this is simply what it is. You just buy and hold. People think investing is risky, and I think everything in life is risky. I've heard of a woman who got hit by a car in her house. She was sitting in her house and a car came from nowhere and hit her inside the house. So how do you explain that? I think life is risky enough. So why would I not want to risk my money? I can continue working, yeah? So it's not like it's the end of the world. So at some point, every millionaire or billionaire must have put in a lot of risk in something at some point. That must have happened. If we look at Elon Musk, it happened to him. If we look at Jeff Bezos, every single person who is wealthy now, this must have happened at some point. So I just think, no financial advice of course, but I think life is risky enough. So if I have something and I know that I can make something off of this, then I'm going to put it. But it does not mean that you have to do it stupidly, you know, you don't have to be dumb. You just have to understand that this could literally make your life better. And so I'm here to help with the information that you will need to ride these waves. If you enjoy what you saw and if you enjoy understanding crypto, well, giving the like button a thumbs up or even subscribing to the channel will be spectacular. See you in the next video.